So now we're going to show the menu features that are active when the Presto Flow controller is installed. First thing, there's a small symbol that appears on the top of the display that indicates that you have a flow controller connected to the Presto. The first thing we need to do is go into the menu, connect unit, analog interface, Yalabo sensor pressure flow. We need to set this to flow rate, and there's a label on the flow meter that's been incorporated into this flow control solution that tells you 4 milliamps is equal to 0 liters per minute and 20 milliamps is equal to 80 liters per minute. That may change depending on the flow meter provided. So this one is set for gallons per minute. We've got to go back and change the units in the settings menu. To liters per minute. Now we go back to connect unit, analog interfaces, change it to flow rate. So now we change the 20 to 80. Press OK. So now it brings up the flow limits. So we have a minimum set point of 10 liters per minute, a maximum of 50 liters per minute, a low warning at 10, and an upper warning at 50. You can change these based on your application and requirements. Next, we need to go into the determine thermodynamics, adjust pump, go into the type and then flow control bypass. And now it gives you the option of setting a flow rate set point. So say we want to do 12 liters per minute. Once all those settings have been set, the symbol changes to having a red arrow. That indicates that the flow controller is now active and will be controlling the flow rate. And you'll see the flow rate setting now appears on the home screen in between our alarm. So our set point and the actual flow rate now appears. Or you can customize the home display. So now, for instance, if you wanted to know what the pressure was, you could set the 5th value for pressure. And then when we change the display over, you'll see the pressure is indicated on the bottom line. Typically it's indicated up where the flow rate is indicated. So that's another way to tell if you've got a flow rate controller. You'll see flow rates in the main screen. So that is how you physically install, electrically install, and set the menus to a pressure flow controller on a Presto. Thank you for watching.